Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over, is Viewstats worth it? Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are wondering if they should use Viewstats. Is it worth it for you? Now I've been using Viewstats for well over about 4 months now-ish. And so I was originally on the Pro plan, and it sounded really cool at first as far as having outliers for inspiration, thumbnail ideation, setting video alerts, tracking A/B testing, and having personal collections. And then after some time, I kind of realized that I wasn't really using it. The thing that you have to think about when it comes to using Viewstats is that if you do decide to go with this tool, you are going to have to basically put your hand and thoughts into another tool aside from just actually using it for YouTube. And what I mean by that is like you're basically just adding another tool under your belt in which you have to keep track of and you have to basically learn. And what I realized is that with Viewstats, what I mainly used it for was the Viewstats profile. So I mainly use it to actually understand channels. And so this is just with the free version of Viewstats. So I can see where most of the long views come from versus where most of the short views come from. I can see which videos are trending in the past 24 hours. I can see their most popular videos. I can see their least popular videos. I can search for a video here. I can even see similar channels as well if there's enough data to read. And so just the basic free version is something that I find very useful when it comes to analyzing your channels. But even so, if you're on the Pro plan, like finding outliers for your own YouTube channel or coming up with your own thumbnail ideas for your YouTube channel, setting video alerts for other videos that get posted similar to your channel, I don't feel like it's as necessary to be paying $50 a month, okay? If you do annually, it comes out to around like $39 a month. But I do think these tools here are useful as far as outliers, thumbnail ideation. A/B testing is free on YouTube right now anyways. But $50 a month is quite a bit for when it comes to a tool that, other cheaper tools actually help you out with this as well. So for me, it wasn't worth it for me, but I still find it very useful with just the basic plan, just because of analyzing channels, other channels mostly is what I find useful. But I hope you found this video helpful, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.